the thing he will do anything for is broccoli.
Broccoli?
Yeah!
He's lined up all of his favorite things. That's his high value. Now let's try
High value. Okay, let's try something else. What do you think?
Because they'll be focusing on the treats and not the clicker.
Nailed it. It's one of the most important things we can teach our dogs. It's to pay attention to us. Toss it that direction. And I want you to wait until Harley looks back at you and then click and toss another treat. Very good. Sam, that looks fabulous.
Click as soon as your dog does what you want him to do.
Yep. What does reinforcement make happen, or what does it do?
The action of a dog